Yeah, there's another go at it. He kind of drifted for a while. Until he got through the heaviest of the white water. That's so cool. Thought he was going to go up to the boat landing for a second, but see how he approaches this. Dang, they're coming close. Oh, you see the rocks right there. Holy cow. He's going for it. I didn't get a wave out of him. That's so cool. Thank you for the show, dude. Braden's future. I guess he is a bright one. Man, what a day. I really can't believe this because I've never seen one come through, and now there's two of them. And see the debris there in the water? Oh, I think he just went under. But wow. Right in the future. In good running order. You don't want to go through that with a motor that is a little bit iffy. You want to make sure you're doing well, and you powered right through it. There you go. It's important to know where you are in these waters. You don't know where rocks could be, and I don't think this is the kind of thing for the faint of heart. I don't know if I would have wanted to been on that boat, but hey, all the kids got a good show, huh? See you later, Braden's future. Anyway, thanks for watching.